If you've been seeing Nutrex Anabol Hardcore online lately, you've probably heard some big claims about it. Things like steroid-like muscle gains, extreme strength, or rapid muscle growth. And honestly, that's exactly why so many people are curious about this supplement in 2026. So in this video, I'll give you an honest Nutrex Anabol Hardcore review, including what it is, what it claims to do, the pros and cons, and whether it actually gives steroid-level muscle gains. First, what is Nutrex Anabol Hardcore? It's a muscle-building supplement from Nutrex Research marketed toward bodybuilding, strength training, and muscle growth. And honestly, the branding is very aggressive, which is why many people expect dramatic results immediately. Now let's talk about the biggest question. Does it actually give steroid muscle gains? And honestly, this is where expectations need to be realistic, because supplements and anabolic steroids are not the same thing. Real anabolic steroids directly affect hormones in very powerful ways, while legal muscle-building supplements usually focus on workout performance, recovery pumps, and training support. So honestly, you should not expect literal steroid-level transformations from a legal supplement alone. Now that does not automatically mean the product is useless, because many gym supplements can still help people with training, intensity, consistency, and workout motivation, especially when combined with proper nutrition, sleep, and hard training. Now let's talk about why some users still like products like this. Many people report benefits like better workout, energy, improved gym focus, increased motivation, or feeling stronger during training. And honestly, placebo and mindset can also play a huge role in fitness supplements. Now, another important thing, results vary massively between people, because honestly, muscle growth depends on genetics, calories, protein intake, sleep, workout quality, and consistency much more than one supplement alone. Now let's talk about the downsides, because honestly, fitness marketing online can be very exaggerated. Some supplement ads make it sound like you'll gain huge muscle instantly, look like a bodybuilder overnight, or transform without effort. And realistically, that's simply not how fitness works. Now, another thing to consider, stimulants and ingredients. Depending on the formula, some users may experience jitters, sleep issues, stomach discomfort, or sensitivity to stimulants, especially if they already consume a lot of caffeine. So, honestly, reading ingredient labels matters a lot. Now, another important thing. Beginners often focus too much on supplements, when the biggest factors for muscle growth are still training, food recovery, and consistency. And honestly, those basics will always matter more than hype products. Now, let's talk about who this supplement may appeal to. It's mostly targeted toward gym enthusiasts, bodybuilders, and people looking for extra workout support, especially those who enjoy trying performance-focused supplements. But honestly, if someone expects actual steroid-level gains, they'll probably be disappointed. Now let's be honest for a second. A lot of fitness supplements use extreme marketing because it grabs attention fast. But honestly, there's no legal supplement that magically replaces years of training discipline and nutrition. So to wrap this up, Nutrex Anabol Hardcore may help with workout intensity, motivation, and training support. But honestly, you should not expect literal steroid muscle gains from a supplement alone, because real, long-term muscle growth still comes mostly from consistent workouts, proper nutrition, and recovery over time.